Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Novia Saftarini from English Language and Teaching Department 3C. I want to explain about Islamic education thought of Ismail Raji Al-Faruqi. Ismail Raji Al-Faruqi is an activist and a thinker in the multicultural world. Al-Faruqi was born in Jaffa, Palestine on 1st January 1921. His father is Abdul Huda Al-Faruqi, who is a Qadi or judge in Palestine. Al-Faruqi got his first education in 1926 at the College des Frères until 1936. In 1941, he went on to study philosophy at the American University in Beirut and received a Bachelor of Art. And then, after graduating, he went back to his respective country to make a career in government. He served as governor in Galilee, but in 1947, Galilee fell into the rule of Israel. Therefore, Al-Faruqi had to move to America. In 1949, Ismail Raji Al-Faruqi was awarded a master's degree in philosophy at Indiana University. In 1951, he received the same degree from Harvard University. And then he got a doctoral degree from Indiana University with a dissertation entitled On God's Correction, Metaphysics and Value Epistemology. And then Al-Faruqi took an Islamic college at Al-Azhar University in Cairo. After returning from Egypt in 1959, Al-Faruqi taught at McGill, Montreal, Canada. 2 years later, he moved to Karachi in Pakistan to take part in Central Institute for Islamic Research. And in 1963, Faruqi returned to America and taught at the School of Divinity in Chicago University. In 1968, Faruqi became a professor of Islamic thought and culture at Temple University in Philadelphia. He also established the Department of Islamic Studies and was its leader until his loss. Al-Faruqi passed away on 27 May 1986 in Philadelphia. During his lifetime, Al-Faruqi has created many works. His whole work is essentially his ideas and theory to fight the Islamization of life. And here are some his works. The first is Al-Tawhid, its implication for thought and life. In this book, Al-Faruqi described the principle of Tawhid as the principle of the revival of the Ummah. However, this principle began to erode and shaken by the understanding of a secular, liberal, modern society. For Al-Faruqi, the concept of Tawhid is a primordial element as the true identity of civilization. And the next is Christian ethics, a historical and systematic analysis of its dominant ideas. Christian ethics is a passionate critique of the Christian doctrine of man, while accepting the religion of Jesus Christus as a revelation of the same one living God who sent Muhammad. Another works of Al-Faruqi are Islamization of Knowledge, General Principle and Work Plan, Historical Atlas of the Religions of the World, Islam and the Problem of Israel, The Arts of Islamic Civilization, The Essence of Islamic Civilization, Islamic Thought and Culture, and so on. Islamic education thought of Ismail Raji Al-Faruqi. Human nature and its impact on education. The awareness and existence of God must be owned by every human being, which is an essential part to finding faith and belief of God. Tawhid is not only say shahadat, but teaches the real existence of human. And basic and the purpose of Islamic education. Al-Faruqi forwarded many ideas and thoughts based on the issue of Tawhid. Tawhid teaches humans about the real existence. Islamic education has a purpose to direct humans to become the servant of Allah. And the next, content or material of Islamic education curriculum. There are some principles that need to be considered in organizing the contents of the Islamic curriculum, such as mastering modern science and Islamic heritage, and also have a concept of unity that includes studies in the curriculum as a whole. In the principle of mastery of modern treasure, Al-Faruqi reminded the Muslim scholars that they must realize that many modern science has the vision of Islamic values, so all the knowledge must be studied from an Islamic point of view. And the next, classical Islamic treasure. Regarding the Islamic treasury, Al-Faruqi further commented that the analysis of contribution to the scientific treasury of Islam was of course not carried out in arbitrary manner. It needs to be put in order of priority, and Muslim scientists are strongly encouraged to follow process precisely. And the last, content or material of integral curriculum. In the principal unity of God, his idea of the Islamization of science was philosophically one of the methods to tie science into Islamic nuance. Efforts to develop this Islamization discourse are not limited to the social science field, but in all fields of science. And the last is educational institution. One of the educational institutions is formal institutions that are uniting Islamic and secular education. And the point is to make Islamic education institution and the Islamization of secular education into modernization. The existence of modern education institution is considered as a camouflage on behalf of Islam, which makes Islam only a symbol. To anticipate this, new Islamic education institution must be created to be used as a match. Thank you, that's all from me. Sorry if there are many mistakes. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.